The Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount MD2380 is designed to accommodate televisions ranging from 37 to 75 inches, making it a versatile choice for various screen sizes. This wall mount's low-profile design positions your television just 1.5 inches from the wall, offering a sleek and space-saving solution. It allows you to tilt your television forward by up to 8 degrees, which effectively reduces glare and enhances your viewing experience. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and included level, allowing you to mount your television in just 3 simple steps. Mounting Dream provides excellent customer service with a dedicated US-based team available every day to address any concerns or questions you may have. Constructed to support up to 132 pounds and compatible with VESA patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters, this mount ensures reliable and secure television placement.